Hello and welcome back to Drones Deep. I'm currently on my way to Littlebourne Church. Littlebourne at the moment is rather breezy and the Littlebourne Church is hidden in those trees. It's going to be a tricky little flight, this one. Not quite sure how much of the church I'm actually going to be able to see, really. I think this one's going to be quite challenging. Actually, from here, I'm actually in between Littlebourne and Wingham. I can actually see both. I can see Littlebourne Church through the trees there, and I can see the steeple of Wingham Church just in the distance over there as well. But we're going to concentrate on Littlebourne Church, St Vincent's I believe it's called. So take the drone up and just have a quick look around and see what we can see. I've got a funny feeling this could be a short video. Just as I thought, really. As you can see, the church is nestled and surrounded by loads of trees. I don't think I'm going to know really what I'm going to get until I get the drone in the air, so I'm not going to waste much time now. I'm going to find the public footpath again and setting the drone up. Probably just do a surveillance flight first, just to see what's around and make sure there's no hazards. Well, this is a public footpath here, so it's an ideal place to take off and land from. I'm going to fly straight up in the air, get plenty of height, and just have a good look around, making sure there's no power lines or any major hazards. Looked on the app, looks on the map, nothing to worry about too much, but I just want to make sure before I start getting any closer to the church. Right, so here we go. We're going to take off and get some drone footage of St Vincent's Church in Littlebourne.
Welcome to the intriguing history of St Vincent's Church in Littlebourne, Kent. This remarkable place of worship has stood as a symbol of faith and community for centuries. St Vincent's Church holds a fascinating past, with origins dating back to medieval times. Its architectural beauty and rich heritage continue to captivate visitors from near and far. St Vincent's Church has a history dating back over 800 years, with the earliest records mentioning the church in the 12th century. The church's stunning exterior showcases a blend of architectural styles, reflecting the passage of time and the hands that have shaped it. From its Norman foundations to its later Gothic additions, St Vincent's Church stands as a testament to the craftsmanship and devotion of its builders. The awe-inspiring stained glass windows, each telling its own story, cast colorful rays of light that dance upon the ancient stone walls. The intricately carved wooden pews and soaring ceilings create an atmosphere of tranquility and reverence. The churchyard, with its weathered tombstones and serene surroundings, serves as a final resting place for generations. It is a space of reflection and remembrance, where the lives of those who came before are honored and cherished. The church is dedicated to Saint Vincent of Saragossa, a Spanish martyr who is venerated as the patron saint of vine growers, winemakers, and sailors. Throughout the years, St Vincent's Church has been a witness to the changing tides of history. It has withstood wars, societal shifts, and the passing of time, remaining a steadfast symbol of faith and resilience. Today, St Vincent's Church continues to be a vibrant hub of the community. It hosts weddings, christenings, and a range of special events that bring people together in celebration and reflection. Over the centuries, the church underwent several expansions and renovations, including significant Gothic additions in the 14th and 15th centuries. The church's prominent bell tower, housing a set of bells, was added in the 16th century, contributing to the distinctive silhouette of the church. During the English Reformation in the 16th century, the church experienced significant changes in its religious practices and was influenced by the Protestant movement. As we conclude our journey through the history of St. Vincent's Church in Littlebourne, Kent, we invite you to visit this magnificent place and immerse yourself in its timeless beauty. Explore its historical charm, find solace within its walls, and be inspired by the enduring spirit of faith and community it represents.
Well, that was quite disappointing, really. Yeah, it was a little bit too windy to be able to get close to the church. I've only been able to do some high and sort of long range shots, really. Maybe I'll come back again another time, but for now, that's been St. Vincent's Littlebourne Church in Kent.